Many Amazon sellers see their ACOS climbing higher and higher. Their first instinct is usually lower the bids, swap out keywords, or restructure the campaigns entirely. But there is one question that often gets overlooked. Just because ads bring in clicks doesn't mean the listing is actually converting that traffic. More often than not, the problem may not lie with the ads at all. It lies with what happens after buyers click in. Why don't they go on to purchase? ACOS, at its core, reflects how much advertising spend is required to generate ad-attributed sales. If ACOS remains elevated over time, advertising is consuming a larger share of the revenue it generates. But ACOS is still an outcome. The more important question is, what is causing advertising efficiency to deteriorate? Why is the order cost increasing? Take, for example, a seller offering a rechargeable blender cup. They are running ads on the keyword portable blender for travel. This keyword brings in a fair number of clicks, but when buyers land on the listing, the main image they see is just a blender cup sitting on a kitchen counter. The title only lists capacity, wattage, and blade count, without highlighting that it fits into a backpack or a car cup holder. Nor does it mention the unit weight, charging method, or battery life. The subsequent images likewise show no usage scenarios, no travel, no gym, no office settings. When users search for that keyword, what they most want to confirm is this really convenient to take on the go? But the entire page emphasizes blending performance without answering the portability question. So clicks happen, but purchases do not. In this situation, continuing to increase the ad budget may only generate more traffic that never converts. What is more important is to first determine, why is the traffic not converting? DeepBI's diagnostic approach does not look only at ad data. Instead, it starts by analyzing ad traffic together with the listing's messaging. For example, what is the search keyword actually expressing? Does the title respond to that intent? Does the main image quickly convey the core value? Do the bullet points and A+ content supplement the purchase rationale? Do the reviews and ratings build enough trust? Once these questions are broken down, then we return to the ads themselves. Which search terms are driving valid orders? Which keywords are seeing rising spend but no conversions? Which traffic deserves to be scaled further? Which traffic needs to be reduced? So when ACOS is high, do not just ask, should I lower my bids? You should first ask, why is the traffic the ads bring in not converting? Because ads only bring buyers to the door. What truly determines whether an order is placed is the content buyers see after they enter the page and the trust it builds. DeepBI's value lies in helping sellers analyze ads, listing content, and traffic performance together to pinpoint the factors that truly affect conversion. Let DeepBI's AI power your Amazon ads 24/7, improve conversion, reduce wasted ad spend, and grow organic sales. Send one ASIN for a free listing audit.